In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the pop-up tools, how to add a new pop-up to your page, and how to structure it with clean, readable content, all without getting lost in the builder. First, make sure you're logged in and looking at your workspace. From the main dashboard, head to the Sites area. This is where all your websites and funnels live, and it's the central place to manage page content and on-page elements like pop-ups. Next, choose the website or funnel where you want the pop-up to appear. If you have multiple projects, pick the specific site that contains the page you're working on. Selecting the correct site now will save you from having to or duplicate work later. Open the page editor by clicking. Edit on the page you want to enhance. This launches the visual builder so you can see exactly how your pop-up will sit on top of your existing layout and design. At the top of the builder, look for the pop-up settings icon. It usually appears in the main toolbar. Click it to open the pop-up controls. This is the command center for creating and managing pop-ups tied to the current page. Choose Create New Pop-up to start from a clean slate. You'll get a blank canvas that you can style and populate with content. If you like to stay organized, consider giving it a clear internal name so you can find it easily later. Now, click Add to attach this new pop-up to the page. This confirms the pop-up is part of your page's components and is ready for editing. With the pop-up created, begin editing it. You can adjust background color, spacing, borders, and corner radius to match your branding. Keep your message concise and make the close icon easy to spot. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for readability. Start by dragging and dropping a column into the pop-up. A single column works well for straightforward messages, while multiple columns can help you separate a headline from supporting text or an image. Columns give your content structure and make alignment easy. Then drag and drop a text block into that column. Type your headline or main offer, adjust the font, size, and alignment, and keep it scannable. Short, benefit-driven text performs best. When you're happy with the setup, click the save icon at the top. Saving locks in your changes so nothing gets lost. That's it. Your pop-up is created, styled, and ready for further refinement whenever you need it.